What's up guys, it's your girl Rila and now I'm in the bed. Guys, it's night time and I am in the bed. I just read a book right now. I am done and now I think I should go. And now I'm going to drink water but I don't. But there's no wake up, so let's catch it. Yeah guys, there's no wake up. So I don't know. I'm just gonna drink. I'll see you how guys. So I open it and I drink without a cup. No? Why remove the light? Why TV light marara one remote? So it opens the structure. So guys, that's the end of my video. So like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.